What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to talk about the top 5 reasons why you should buy Huawei Y8p smartphone. So let's start it. So the reason number 1 is the screen. Y8p is the first smartphone in Huawei's Y series that comes with an OLED display, Full HD plus resolution and nearly 85% screen to body ratio. Because of that you will get around 420 ppi. So the display quality is very sharp, viewing angles are great, and it's less power hungry as well. The reason number 2 to buy Huawei Y8p is the in-display fingerprint sensor that is very fast and accurate. Also in this price segment, you won't find many smartphones with in-display fingerprint sensor. The reason number 3 to buy Huawei Y8p is the camera. It comes with 48 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel 120 degree wide angle lens and 2 megapixel depth sensor. It also comes with AIS handheld night mode that can take a night mode picture up to 6 seconds without the need of a tripod. In terms of camera features, we got lots of options and the overall camera performance is nice as well. You can record 1080p resolution videos at 60 fps and there is slow motion video recording available as well, along with lots of camera modes. The reason number 4 is the software and productivity. Emotion UI 10.1 is very feature rich. It comes with lots of nice tools and applications, and if you go to the settings you will find lots and lots of options that you can use for better productivity and user experience on Huawei Y8p. Especially if you go to the accessibility features, here you can see how many options you got based on gesture or the accessibility settings. So productivity is the reason number 4 why you should buy the Huawei Y8p. And the reason number 5 is the battery performance. It comes with a 4000 mAh battery, and even though it is pretty average in terms of capacity, the performance is really nice. And you can give the credit to the better software optimization and the OLED screen that is less resource hungry compared to LCD screens. And if you use the power saving modes provided in the battery setting of the device, the battery performance will be even better on Huawei Y8p. So these are the top 5 reasons why you should buy Huawei Y8p. The reason number 1 is the OLED screen that is very sharp, bright and provides great viewing experience. Reason number 2 is the fast and accurate in-display fingerprint sensor. Reason number 3 is the camera performance of the device. Reason number 4 is the software and productivity. And the reason number 5 is the battery performance. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon as well to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.